and the President of the Movie Production Distributors Association of the Philippines, Mr. Wilson Cheng. The Vice President of the Greater Manila Theaters Association, Mr. Dominic Du. And the Vice President of the Metro Manila Theaters Association, Mr. Marcos Nang. Moral Fund Executive Director, Ms. Boots Anson Roa. The Director General of the Film Academy of the Philippines, Mr. Leo Martinez. And the former President of the Philippine Motion Pictures Producers Association, Ms. Marichu Maceda. Maraming salamat po sa ating EXICOM, and through their efforts and vision, exciting po talaga ang Metro Manila Film Fest ngayong 2011.
At dahil ang sining ay nakalaan para sa kasiyahan at kapakanan ng sambayanan, ang Metro Manila Film Fest ay kaisa ng ating mga kababayan sa Mindanao na nasalanta ng bagyong Sendong.
From Iligan City, may we call on the First Lady of Iligan and wife of Mayor Lawrence Cruz, Ms. Gina Sue Hilda Cruz, as well as the Congressman of the First District of Cagayan de Oro, the Honorable Benjo Benaldo. From the Festival Executive Committee,
Congressman Benaldo, Ms. Gina Sue Hilda Cruz, mula po sa Metro Manila Film Festival, tanggapin po ninyo ito para sa ating mga kapatid sa Cagayan de Oro at Iligan City.
Maraming salamat po, Cagayan de Oro Representative Benjo Benaldo and Ms. Gina Sue Hilda Cruz, representing her spouse, Iligan City Mayor Lawrence Cruz. Thank you so much.
dasal ng buong bayan na makabangon at makapagsimulang muli ang mga nasalanta ng bagyo sa Cagayan de Oro at Iligan City. Speaking of the new beginnings this year, the Metro Manila Film Fest ushers in a new breed of film talents. These are young film students who will vie for top honors in the Metro Manila Film Fest New Wave section.
Tama? At alam niyo ba, bagong-bago ito at nag-ugat sa parangal sa mga independent film na sinimulan ng Metro Manila Film Fest noong nakaraang taon. Aside from the film students, our most established and outstanding indie film directors had their own category within the New Wave section. This is headed by Section Chairman, the award-winning director, Mr. Mark Mayley.
Let's start the awarding ceremonies by introducing the much-respected members of the New Wave Board of Jurors. We have the star of two funerals, Pinoy Blonde, nasaan si Francis, and Pinoy Sunday. He also won an MMFF award for his performance in Markova, Comfort Gay. New Wave Juror, Mr. Epi Quizon.
Yon.
Our second juror is the award-winning director and producer of Big Time and Cano, which won the Best Film at the International Documentary Film or the IDF Festival in 2010. She was also a member of the IDF in Amsterdam in 2011, Ms. Corinne Jimenez. And finally, the production designer of Aguila, Itim, Kung Mangarap Ka't Magising, and the original Temptation Island, we have the acclaimed director of Sibak, Twilight Dancers, Lagarista, Lahar, and Lucia, Mr. Mel Chonglo.
At narito na po ang mga unang-unang winners sa New Wave section ng Metro Manila Film Festival. Let us call on our presenters.
And the winner of the special jury prize is... Biyahe ni Barbie from College of St. Benil, directed by Kukay Lebayan.
Maraming salamat po kasi napakasarap gumawa ng pelikula, napakasarap mag-experiment. So para sa mga filmmakers, bata matanda, may pera wala, yan. Congratulations and thank you.
The winner for the Best New Wave Student Short Film, dalawa ang nanalo. Payaso from De La Salle University, directed by Chris Ann de la Peña and Eugene de Luna, at Mate from Colegio de San Juan de Latran, directed by John C. Nicolas.
Po tayo nakaka-experience ng first time. And either, sa first time yun, it's either masarap or masakit. At maraming salamat po sa napakasarap na first time na ito.
To the Letran community, to our families and friends, guys, thank you for the support. And to God, thank you so much. Arriba Letran!
We shall be giving 2 awards in gender sensitivity within the New Wave section. Isa po para sa student film category at another for the full-length indie category. The Gender Sensitivity Award for the student film goes to HIV, Neil Tang.
In behalf of Exogain Productions, my producer Donna Sanchez, I would also like to thank the MMFF jurors for choosing my film HIV. Thank you so much, Maribel.
In behalf of Exogain Productions, I would like to thank Donna Sanchez for giving me the opportunity to line produce this film. I love you, Direct Mark Maley.
And for the full-length independent film category, the Gender Sensitivity Award is hereby given to
Speechless from Miriam College.
Yes.
Thank you to Direct Mark Maley for giving us the opportunity again to be part of this.
And especially Miriam College for helping us to make this film. And to our parents and family, thank you very much po.
Let us start off with the award for the Best New Wave Actor. JMD Guzman for Pintakasi.
Dahil yung pakiramdam ko po ngayon parang bata na napuri ng magulang. Pagpapatuloy ko po ito, salamat po ng marami. Thank you. Sa mga hindi ko napasalamatan, salamat po sa inyo.
We now go to the Best Actress New Wave section.
The Best New Wave Actress, Isa Calzado for HIV.
Sorry po. Nag-rehearse ako sa baba. Okay, Catherine. Hi. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa Metro Manila Film Festival para sa HIV, sa movie na HIV for winning Best New Wave Short Film. Thank you so much. Best Actress! Sorry, I'm so lost. Thank you. Hindi ko na po alam sasabihin ko. Basta po maraming salamat sa Diyos. Dad, ikaw may kagagawa nito, no? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
For the Best New Wave Full-Length Film, Pintakasi.
Maraming salamat. Hindi namin akalain na pagkatapos ng halos 4 na taon, mapapalabas na rin ang Pintakasi. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagtaguyod sa haba ng panahon ng original Filipino copyright, original Filipino animation, original Pinoy music, original Pinoy content. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Tuwing Pasko, hindi magkanda-ugaga ang mga tao sa pagbili ng pagkain, panregalo at mga dekorasyon. Punong-puno ang mga sikat na bilihan gaya ng Quiapo, Baclaran, Riverbank, Green Hills at Divisoria. Siksikan at naghahabaan ang mga pila sa mga SM malls at bawat kanto ay may tiyangge na may kung ano-anong tinitinda. Sa panahon ng Pasko, masigla ang kabuhayan at negosyo dahil masaya rin ang mga mamimili at parokyano.
Sulitin natin ang panahon ng pagmamahalan at kasayahan with Talk and Text. Tipid sulit together.